today we're gonna be unboxing Tyler's PC that he finally got, bitch.
I'm currently sitting on.
Yeah, that's. You better hope it can support you. We already set up like a bunch of shit. We moved around a bunch of shit in the office because that's boring. You don't want to see that.
Yeah.
We have a bunch of shit to unbox. We got. I'm not even gonna tell you. Big ass box. We got a keyboard. We got more little itty bitties, and the mother herself.
The mother herself. Right,
and
Ava?
The other mother.
Why are you under there? You know you don't fit. Okay, what do you want to tackle first? What do you want to do first?
I think we should start with the thing that we can connect everything into.
Let's do it.
It's like a plain CSGO. Oh, this makes me scared. Can I help you? Wait, can you lift the knife for a second?
There we go. I got it. That did nothing.
Because
you want to do it?
You had plastic on it. What the hell?
It's not a very sharp knife anymore.
No.
You gotta give it a break. Wow.
Wow, cardboard.
Another box. Okay, we
Need
got
that.
all the little fun bits. What is this? Did it give you 2 paddles?
Oh no, that's for your
Paddling?
internet.
Oh.
That's like the antennas.
Oh! Okay, that's cool. Okay.
They give you like a bunch of upgrade shit. What the f? Mine was packaged so differently.
What do you mean?
I didn't get a bag.
You didn't get a bag?
No!
That's a nice bag.
What the hell?
Okie dokie. It's all just coming out super nice. I love the top of it. Wow, it's so pretty.
I got one hand.
For safety.
Alright, you want to set it on the...
No, I'm just kidding. Why is my ear ringing? Is your ear ringing?
No, somebody's talking about you.
Tendonitis, man. Oh!
There you go.
Oh,
yeah,
shit.
yeah.
Why does that not look like it's connected?
Take it out. What the f***'s going on in here?
What the f is going on in here?
Hello? It's like...
That is off, dude. What the fuck?
It didn't come with a second fan clip?
Yeah, it's supposed to come with 2 fan clips and we only got 1.
So Tyler's makeshifting some...
I'm doing a res job right now. How the f did that work?
Am I doing a good job of holding the flashlight down?
Yeah, you're doing great, kid. Anyways, we're here now.
Okay.
We made it. The best part. We're
at the corner. Oh.
Oh, it's stuck. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm hard.
And click.
Alright!
Good!
Hey, look at her!
That looks good! Okay, sweet. I'm now extremely nervous to turn this on for the first time.
I know, it's always the most nerve-wracking. Turn on.
Okay, I think this one's next.
Yay!
This is heavy.
Is it?
Oh my god. How's your nose doing?
Runny as shit.
Yeah, me too.
Also, yeah, we're both sick, so sorry about all the...
Howdy.
Are we getting set up yet?
We're getting there. I'll give you a call back when everything's working.
Fine.
Alright.
Bye, Jupe!
Okay, bye. She has so much attitude. Do you ever use these little stands?
I lost mine.
Oh, so that's enough?
Yeah, that's enough.
Oh, you know what we should have done first?
What?
This one.
Oh, you're
This
mad.
one. This one.
Blade Hawks!
Blade Hawk. Blade Cock.
Blade Cock.
Chad! Very good parents! Isn't there supposed to be like a thing here?
There's more to the box.
Oh shit. Oh
Oh,
shit.
they gave you... Oh, shit, you got cool keycaps,
I got
bitch.
cool keycaps, bitch! This is gonna be good for my arthritis.
Nice.
Anyways.
I get to open this. I bought this for my brother a month ago.
Oh yeah, I guess you already know what they look like.
Look at him.
Oh shit, that's right, it comes with stickers.
Time for the big mama.
We have the mouth, we have the legs, the foot. That's hefty. You could throw that and
Dude,
kill a
this is gonna
kangaroo
come
with
back.
it. Yeah!
I'm throwing this and it's coming back.
Big old caveman club.
What is that? Oh!
What do you do? Oh, this is just the cable management stuff. Okay.
Oh, that's nice.
Look at the
Oh, that's
maneuverability
nice.
on that. Holy
You know what?
shit.
I had a second of doubt when you pulled that arm out. I was like, how is that fitting on your desk?
It just fits.
Holy shit, Tyler. Dude, I have to like sit back to prepare.
What the did I do? Holy shit.
That's the power block.
This is the power block? Oh. Okay, so there's that. It comes with some nice HDMI cords. Alright.
You look so small.
Alright.
It'll go in your,
Yes.
where your GPU is.
Okay. Is there another one of those,
Oh.
Oh no, now where does it start?
There's another end on this side.
Pissant.
Pissant.
This is your favorite part, isn't
It
it?
is my favorite part.
My parents leave the shit on, can you believe that?
When my parents got all new appliances, I asked them if they could leave that shit on so I can take it off.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready. Good sign! Woo!
Is
Computer
it?
is working! Yeah, your fans wouldn't turn on if it wasn't getting power.
Look at all the lights!
And we're not going outside for the next 3 weeks.
Nope. Only if I'm getting paid. Look at that shit! Damn.
Damn, we're gonna go geek out. We're trying to test out the speakers, but no Wi-Fi. We're doing everything in our power to get this to work, just to listen to music for 2 seconds.
Literally all we would really need is just an adapter, but I don't have a...
So the problem is, we want to test out the speakers, but there's no Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi makes everything
Yeah.
so much harder.
There's no just simple aux cord.
No, and, it would be fixed if I had an adapter for
But
an iPhone, but I
we
don't.
So now we're using a hotspot on Tyler's phone to connect his MacBook to that's connected to the speakers. Let's go. Let's go.
There we go.
Let's go.
Hey.
All right, let's test out these speakers.
Sweet.
You're so
Eva,
dramatic.
holy shit.
The door, of course the door is gonna touch you on the way out when it's not all the way open.
Scooby-Doo, man.
Think with your noodle for a second.
I saw someone, when I was looking up this monitor, someone had a setup where they had 3 of these monitors, but they had them all vertical and then connected together, so like, he was like looking up at everything. It's
Okay,
so
that's a,
much.
like, go outside, brother.
Exactly.
Oh my god, when's the last time you felt the touch of a human?
Like you're only playing simulators. Like space simulators.
That thing works as a light, by the way.
Yeah, it straight up does. Hold on. Crazy.
Oh my god. You know, Tyler, can I come over some nights and just sleep?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, this is what makes it so fun now, is that like it's so open that I can have like 1 or 2 people over. Have you chewed on one?
Tell me you wouldn't chew on that.
Not if it was freshly used.
I mean, if it was just me.
Oh my god. Yo, is it trying to Stranger Things us right now? Is it gonna write something? Purple's cute.
Tyler, you're making me want to buy this keyboard. I don't have money.
It's only $225.
You hear that? Only $225 that he didn't pay. I like the orange.
I like the orange.
I really like the
orange.
orange.
Is nice, actually.
That one's fun. I want to eat that one.
Yeah, right? I could taste that one. Okay.
Oh, you're gonna have to disable
Relax.
sticky keys.
What's sticky keys?
You've never... Oh, Tyler, you don't know sticky keys?
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. No.
Every time you press shift more than 5 times, you're gonna hear that
I
sound.
know. Stop it. Stop it. Off. I'm gonna click yes by accident. I'm not gonna know how to fix that.
That's gonna be my gift to you. Figure it out.
No.
If you can figure this out, you've mastered the PC.
You can touch this wrench.
I can't wait for all the little cans to start forming.
No, I'm gonna try and keep this clean.
Every time I clean my desk, I'm like, alright, I'm done just putting shit on my desk, and then...
That's what this desk is. There's gonna be a lot of shit on this desk. What a crazy upgrade from this thing.
Yeah.
We did it. High five.